Yes, good evening. Welcome to the last set 2021 of the TS and AP. And here I posted the welcome to last set 2021. And the posting is regarding the handloom is concerned, which I have shown. And if the students, participants could able to see it, please read what I posted on the screen. This thing. Yes. Yes. Anyone can unmute and read what I posted on the screen.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ మీద వైట్ వస్తుంది సార్
Hmm?
స్క్రీన్ మీద వైట్ వస్తుంది
ఇప్పుడు
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే సార్
అది అప్పుడు it takes time, no? That is the reason that you will get it. Otherwise, you would not get it. That means you could able to hear me now. Yes, now directly I can go to, because we are the three hosts would be there, and we made the team that we made it, and the rounds of the other two is over, and sometimes they do also come, and we will be continue over there till the course is completed. Yes. Now I would like to show this thing. Anyone, can you tell me that what is I posted on the screen? Yes. Quick. Quick.
లేజీగా నిద్ర లేచింది సార్
That what is that action is called? What is that action is called? పాస్ అని చెప్పండి సార్, నేనే చెప్పేస్తా కదా.
పాసాను సార్
Yawn. YAWN. What the action it is?
యాన్
Yawn. 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 Yes. Now the question is on the yawns only. Yawn definition is all except one among them is: number one, to open the mouth voluntarily while breathing. Number two, to open the mouth involuntarily while breathing in deeply. Three, usually as a sign of the tiredness. Four, and also sign of the boredom or the like. Which one is not relevant to that among the four? Yes.
3 సార్
What is a sign of tiredness? Yawn is a sign
యూజ్
of
యాజ్
tiredness, and yawn is also sign of the boredom, and yawn is also the to open the mouth voluntarily while breathing in deeply, or to open the mouth voluntarily while breathing. See, yawning is involuntary act. Yawning is involuntary act.
Voluntary
Which is not applicable over here is which is relevant answer is here is
1 సార్
one, because in yawn to open the mouth not voluntarily, it's the involuntary act. That's why I told you yawn definition is all except one among them. See, such a questions may be asked in the examination. That is the reason. So to open the mouth involuntarily while breathing in deeply, usually as a sign of the tiredness and boredom or the like. So that is the definition of the yawn. Okay, next come. Why it is called yawn and how it has been coined. Yes. Number one, it is from the Latin terminology, it is from the Greek terminology, it is from the Geonian in Old English, or it is from the Hebrew language. Try it, not necessarily that even though it is wrong, doesn't matter.
లాటిన్ టర్మినల్స్
No, it is not a Latin terminology, it is from Geonian in Old English. It came from the Geonian in Old English, that actually the meaning of the yawn is open the mouth wide. That is the meaning in the Geonian yawn, and that same meaning that we have taken in English. Open the mouth wide. Yes. Next, third question is synonym for the yawn is gape, gaping. Inflection of the yawn is, it is mental ability. Roughly, this is synonym. తెలుసు నానార్థాలు తెలుగు. Yawn is gape or gaping. Inflection of yawn is, I'm sure that even Kolakanda Sharad Babu is present over there, but I expect the answer from him. Yes, anyone? Inflection.
సార్
Inflection. Yes, please.
సెకండ్ వన్ సార్ ఆన్సర్
All of the above. Inflection means present form, past participle form, and the root form. Present form, yawning, yawns, third person singular, yawned, past participle, all the forms above is the inflection of yawn. That is the answer. Yes. Is yawning is good? Is yawning is bad? Yawning is normal? Yawning is a disease. Yes. Anyone?
Bad, sir.
No, it is not bad. It is an involuntary act. It is a normal. So, to the short answer is yawning is a normal. It is common and usually is a totally begin. However, if there is an increase in yawning that can't be explained by the lack of sleep or some of other causes mentioned above, then yawning can be a symptom of some disease. If a continuous yawning would be there, then it is some type of the disease. Otherwise, yawning is a common. All mammalian, all animals will yawn. And why? Why does yawn meaning slang? What does yawn means in slang? Something interesting, something entertainment, something boring, something inspiration.
Something boring.
Something boring is the right answer for that one. That's why I say Kolikonda, or Sarad Babu is not present over there. That's why I'm asking is. Okay, now the sixth question is whether word yawn is which verb? Is it a transitive verb? Is it an intransitive verb? Is it both of them? And is a not a verb? It is a noun. Yes. Yawn is an action which is abstract.
It does not take an object, so it is an entrance to that.
It is the intransitive verb. Very good. What is a part of the speech of yawn? Yawn is both the noun and the verb. Moreover, it is the intransitive verb. Inflection. Yawn, yawning, yawning, yawned. Related words, gap, gapping. And intransitive verb doesn't have the object. That means we should not supposed to use it in the passive voice. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. Which part of the human body induce yawning? Is it eye? Is it arms? Is it the hypothalamus of the brain? Is the lack of oxygen in leg? A part of the body which induces yawning. When a
It's
person is
something
tired.
connected with the brain. I think hypothalamus of the brain.
Hypothalamus of the brain is the main cause. Of course, the eyes tired will send the signals to the hypothalamus, and the arms exhausted sends the signals to the hypothalamus, and the lack of oxygen in leg will send the signals to the hypothalamus of the brain, and it is the induces for the yawning, that is the hypothalamus. Yes, eighth question. What causes yawning? All three can be done, except one among them, because all three are right answers, but only one is a wrong answer. Number one, breathing is deeply filling the lungs with air to opening the mouth, involuntary process of the opening the eyes, and it is a natural response to behind the tide. It is usually triggered by sleepiness and fatigue. Which one is not connected with the yawning?
It is usually triggered by sleepiness or fatigue.
Not
No, it is
connected. I said not connected.
second one is the answer, sir.
Second one is
Involuntary
it
process
is a involuntary process of opening the eyes. No, when you are yawning, you close the eyes. When you are yawning, you close the eyes. Sometimes when you yawn, you will get the tears also. So the not connector is involuntary. Actually, it is a involuntary process of closing the eyes and opening the mouth. What about the hands? Can you? Sometimes people will cleanse the hands. Now I will tell you about the hands also. And when you yawn, how to cover the mouth? See, here I have given the four options. With the left hand palm towards the mouth, with the left hand knuckles towards the mouth, with the right hand palm towards the mouth, with the right hand knuckles towards the mouth. What is the right way where the prudent man could do it when you are yawning? Nobody would yawn like a Goldie MGM opening the mouth, lion's mouth. No, nobody would yawn. It is against the etiquette. So when you yawn, sir, I will keep the kerchief.
I think it is better to cover it with the right hand palm towards the mouth.
I am extremely happy that you have given the right answer. The first photograph is, see, the first photograph shows over there, she is covering the covering the right hand, but the knuckles towards the mouth. That is the wrong way. And here the second photo showing she was using the left hand and palms towards the mouth. It is not the right way. And third is the right way, where she is closing the mouth and keeping the palm towards the mouth. That is the right way of it. Even not the knuckles towards the mouth. So that is the right. So which is the right way? The answer is with the right hand palm towards the mouth is the right answer. Sir, who said? Is it in the IPC? Is it in the Constitution? Is it in the CRPC? Anyone?
It's a set practice suggested or advised by the health experts, I think.
See, whatever the customs would be there, whatever the usage would be there, it is based purely on scientific basis. But later on that we will say it is a scientific, but in the earlier days, it is made it over there that is good for the health, even though they did not have the idea of the health. Okay. Science. Okay, last question is, how do you stop yawning? And among the following one is not, I say not relevant to stop the yawning, which one it is. I say not. Drink something cold, breathe through your nose, higher the body temperature, and eat cold food, which is not connected to the stopping the yawning. Yes? Quick. If you don't know, you say pass on. I will give the answer. Anyone? I'm sure that you are hearing me. At least tell sir we are hearing you.
Yes, sir.
If you are
Pass on,
silent, that means I think that you are not reaching me, or my voice is not reaching you. The right
Pass
answer
on, sir.
is, the right answer is third, means that is not connected with the lowering or stopping the yawning. That is higher the body temperature. No, lower the body temperature is the right. So drinking something cold, yes, we can stop the yawning. Breathing through your nose, yes, we can stop the yawning. And eat cold foods, yes, we can stop the yawning. But lower the body temperature is the actually, but here I increase the higher body temperature. And these are the first 10 things, both includes the mental ability as well as the GK also in it. Now I will switch on to my wife, my better half, Afzal Shenaz, and she will delete the leftover of the quotations. Yes. Now she will be switched over to her. Speak.
Hello, good evening.
Proceed.
Yeah, I'm dealing with the quotations. 16th question.
Quotation.
Quotation here. What the country needs most at the present moment is the spirit of self-sacrifice on the part of our educated men. And they may take it from me that they cannot spend their lives in a better cause than raising the moral and intellectual level of their unhappy low caste and promoting their well-being. Said by 1. Vijada Venkataparao, 2. Prakasham Pantulu, and 3.
Annie Besant.
Annie Besant, and 4th Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Who said this?
Anyone, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. Make a trial.
Please answer.
Yes, the right answer is.
Gopalakrishna Gokhale.
Can anybody will read which is posted on the screen? Quick.
What the country needs most at the present moment is the spirit of self-sacrifice on the part of our educated young men, and they may take it from me that they cannot spend their lives in a better cause than raising the moral and intellectual level of their unhappy low caste and promoting their well-being. Gopalakrishna Gokhale.
Yes, the purpose of making is, if you read it, at least the other person will listen it. When the other person listen, it is a double type of reading. Reading, and reading make you the perfect. So that is the intention of it. Next, 17, please.
Now, certain 17 question quotation here. When a thing is true, There is no need to use any arguments to substantiate it, said by 1. Swami Vivekananda, and 2. Rajaram Mohan Roy, and 3. Vinoba Bhave, and 4. Rabindranath Tagore.
Which one is the right answer?
The participants are expected to answer it because it
Yes.
is a repeated quotation.
Here they repeated this one.
Quotation again. When a thing is true, there is no need to use any arguments to substantiate it.
We already discussed this one. The answer is Vinoba Bhave. The Vinoba Bhave said this such a thing. When a thing is true, there is no need to use any arguments to substantiate it. I don't know whether the other people are present over there or not, because nobody is opening it and say. When particularly ask Jinda Shushma, you unmute and read what I posted on the screen. Yes. 18th question. You unmute and read what I posted on the Jinnam Shushma. Unmute and read.
Okay, sir. 18th question. The greatness of a nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Option 1, Rabindranath Tagore. Option 2, A. Gandhi. Option 3, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Option 4, Menaka Sanjay Gandhi.
Yes, among the four, which one is the right answer? For the quotation, the greatness of a nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated.
Option
Anyone?
2, sir, A. Gandhi.
Yes?
Gandhi.
M.K. Gandhi is the right answer. Yes. That is the greatness of the nations can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Mahatma Gandhi. Yes. Read the 19.
Now, 19th question. Here, quotation. సొంత లాభం కొంత మానుకో పొరుగువాడికి తోడు పడవోయ్ దేశమంటే మట్టి కాదోయ్ దేశమంటే మనుషులోయ్.
Said by
here Swami Ramananda Tirtha to
Gurujada Venkatapparao.
Venkatapparao, sir.
very good.
See, that is, I am expecting the answer from the other participant, but the host and the big participants have given the answer for this one. But okay, it doesn't matter. There is one mistake which I committed in 1, 2, 3, 4 of the option. Can you tell me what is the mistake? In writing the 4 options, I committed one mistake. Can you tell me what is the mistake? You are taking so much time. Apparao can be written as the Apparao, 2 words also. But the
Prakasham has small.
see, you are taking that much time. This is the P. The P should be capital letter. It should be written over there. Because immediately your eye should go over there and say, sir, there is a mistake that you did it. Yes, now next, come to the point. See, this is the thing, Gurujada Venkatapparao. Deshamante matti kadoy, deshamante manushaloy. Yes. Next. And Gurujada Apparao is a playwright and dramatist and poet known for the Kanya Shulkam and Sarangadhara and Mutyala Saralu and Purnamma. These are the works of the
creator of great character Girisham in Kanya Shulkam.
Okay. Nice. Thank you very much, co-host, for your giving the feedback. Yes, next. Read the 20th.
20th question. Here, quotation. Truth is exact correspondence with reality. 1 is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. 2 is Swami Vivekananda. 3 is Paramahamsa Yogananda. And 4th is Shankaracharya.
Which one is the right answer? Repeat.
Paramananda. Third option, sir.
Yes, the Paramahamsa Yogananda. That is the truth is exact correspondence with the reality. Paramahamsa Yogananda. That is the answer. Yes.
Yes, here is another addition to this quotation, sir.
Yes, please.
An autobiography of Yogi was written by him, Paramahamsa Yogananda. That's also a general knowledge question.
Okay. Yogi.
Autobiography of an yogi.
Okay. So
This
it is
uh,
author and
famous
author,
book.
books and authors.
Yes, yes.
Good, good. Yes, please.
Now, 22nd question. This quotation here. The main reason why we look constantly to the Gita is that whenever we need help, we may get it from the Gita. And indeed, we always do get it. And one is, yeah, options Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, 2. Swami Vivekananda, 3. Paramahamsa Yogananda, and 4th is Vinoba Bhave.
Yes, participant, especially the students.
Option
Ravina
4.
Naz. Yes,
4th.
is the
They
fourth
said-
one is the answer, right answer.
They said,
And read anyone? Anyone can unmute and read. What is on the slide?
The main reason why we look constantly to the Gita is that whenever we need help, we may get it from the Gita, and indeed, we always do get it. Vinoba Bhave.
That is the quotation. Yes. Next.
Yes, Gandhiji also said, sir, whenever I get a doubt, I
Yeah.
will refer Gita. I think I am not quoting exact quotation. I am
Wordings,
not
wordings.
saying
Hmm.
just the gist I am saying.
Okay,
okay,
okay.
thank you. Now, 24th question. Let my soul smile through my heart, and my heart smile through my eyes, that I may scatter rich smiles in sad hearts. Said by here, Paramahamsa Yogananda, 2. Shankaracharya, 3. Subramanya Bharati, 4. Ramadas. Yes,
Which is the right among the four?
Option 1, sir.
Yes, it is the option one. I appreciate. Jandan Sushma has given the right answers today, and I believe that she has made the hat trick also. And this is the yes. Anybody can write.
read.
What is posted on
Let
the
my
slide?
soul, let my
Let
soul
my
smile through my heart, and my heart smile through my eyes, that I may scatter rich smiles in sad hearts. Paramahamsa Yogananda.
Yes, yes.
Very good. Now, 25th question, quotation here. Success is never final. Failure is never fatal. It is courage that counts. Here, option 1. John Wooden, and 2. Winston Churchill, 3. Jules Ellinger, and 4. Helen Keller.
Which is right among the four?
Okay.
It is
Second one.
Winston Churchill. Success is walking from a failure to the failure with no loss to enthusiasm. No. This
Success
is
is a journey.
yeah, yeah.
It's a journey.
Yeah.
Success is a journey, but it is not a destination.
Yes, yes. That is the another way of making the things. Okay, next 26.
26th question. Now quotation here. Edison failed 10,000 times before he made the electric light. Do not be discouraged if you fail a few times. Said by 1. Robert Frost, and 2. D.H. Lawrence, and 3.
It's
Shakespeare.
Napoleon Hill.
Yes, it's the Napoleon Hill. He said like this.
Okay.
He is a personality expert.
He's an American author. Edison failed 1,000 times before he made the electric light. Don't be discouraged if you fail a few times. Yes, next.
Now 27th question. Quotation here. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Said by here 1. Sir Isaac Newton, 2. Albert Einstein, and Norman Winston Peale, and 4th is Normal Hill.
Yes, change your thoughts and you change your world. Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Norman Vincent Peale, and Normal Hill. The right answer is here. Change your thoughts and you change your world.
Peale.
Norman
He's
Vincent
also
Peale, and he is the person who
another
said.
another personality expert from
Yes,
USA.
yes. Yes, he's also from the USA. Yes, next, read.
Now, 20th question. Your quotation. This is the land of religion, be it be for good or for evil. We cannot do without religion. Religious thoughts are in our blood. If we try to flee from it, it will pursue us. Here said by M.K. Gandhi, and 2. Rajaram Mohan Roy, 3. Mahadev Govind Ranade, and 4th is Bal Gangadhara Tilak.
Yes, among the four, who said these words?
The meaning is that we cannot do away with the religion. Religion is a part and parcel of our life.
Because
That is
in one
the
way, in
essence of
another way, religion is nothing but a scientific way.
Take it like that.
even if we want to escape from it, it will follow us.
Yes, like the common law will not die. It will rule from the grave. Yes, this is said by Mahadev Govind Ranade, and this is the Ranade photo, but it is not that much clear. Yes, can anybody read again that it's the same thing? This is the land of the religion. Yes. I say why the people are very silent.
Participants,
Participants, you have to read. Mahima Bisha, unmute and read. Mahima Bisha, unmute and read. What I posted on the screen. I don't know whether you know it, mute and unmute. I would like to see whether the people know the mute and unmute. I doubt whether she is there or not. Raju, you unmute and read what I posted on the screen.
This is the land of the religion, be it be for good or for evil. We cannot do without religion. Religious thoughts are in our blood. If we try to flee from it, it will pursue
Pursue
us.
us.
Mahadev Govind Ranade.
Yes, that is the right way that you doing the things. The purpose of making is, you have to double it, you will remember it. Yes. Next.
Okay, now 29th question. Here is the quotation.
Not quotation, say. No.
Say it is. Who is father of Bengal Renaissance by many historians? Yeah, father of Bengal Renaissance.
Chittaranjan Das,
Yes.
number 1. Number 2, Surendra Nath Banerjee. Number 3, Prafulla Chaki. Number 4, Rajaram Mohan Rai.
it is Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Rajaram.
Very good.
Yes, it is the right answer for you are given. This is the Rajaram Mohan Rai, and he is the person, and he is
He
known for his
was-
efforts to abolish the. Yes, please go on.
He advised strongly Lord William Bentinck to
Yes.
abolish sati,
Yes.
and he wanted English education to be spread in
Taught.
India so that superstitions will be wiped out of this country.
Yes, yes.
Very good. Very
That is the reason, that's why they call the father of the Bengal Renaissance by the many historians. 30th, last one is.
Now, 30th. Believe you can and you're halfway there. So here, believe you can and you are halfway there. Said by Benjamin Franklin. 2. George Washington. 3. Theodore Roosevelt. And 4. John F. Kennedy.
Believe you can.
Option
Yes.
Option
3.
3.
Repeat. Why do you are fear? Even it is wrong also doesn't matter. But you have to say in the sonorous voice. Very good. I appreciate it. Is a Theodore Roosevelt, and he says, believe you can, and you are halfway there. That is a Theodore Roosevelt. Can you tell me who is the Theodore Roosevelt? Anyone?
He was the president of USA once.
Okay. Any other quality of him? Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah.
He was physically challenged, physically
Yeah.
disabled, and confined. He could not walk also, but
Okay.
he could manage. He could manage as the US president.
Yes, yes.
He,
That
at
is
the
the
time of Second World War, he was the president of USA.
okay. Yeah, that is a very bad. Thank you very much for your feedback. Our host, that's why you are present over there. So something I missed over there, then you can cover it in it. Now let us come to our mental ability. Yes, yesterday that we are then neurons in the brain and neurons in the. We
Sir,
already done.
నిన్న రిపీట్ అయింది సార్.
Already we
సార్ నిన్న
discussed.
రిపీట్ అయింది సార్.
Yes,
ఎస్
yes,
సార్.
yes. It is already we
Yes,
done. I repeating.
కిడ్నీ సార్.
nephrons
కిడ్నీ
are
సార్.
related to kidney.
కిడ్నీ.
So even among specialists also there are nephrologists
Yes,
who deal
yes.
with the disease of kidney.
Naturally, yes, you are right. Because the urologist is different, urologist is different, and this nephrologist is different. Yes. Let us come to the watch repairer uses convex lens. Is it? Watch repairer uses convex lens. And then the peephole, what we use? Answer is monofocal lenses, bifocal lenses, convex lenses, none of the above. సార్ అసలు మాకు పీప్ హోల్ అంటే తెలియదు సార్. A peephole you could keep in the door. If somebody is ringing the bell or knocking the door, then you can see through the
I think it is also convex.
peephole. We can see through the peephole to see who has come. Yes, what the lens used in the peephole? What is the lens used in the peeping hole? The four options which I have given. That is the convex
I think it is
lenses.
convex lens.
It is a
It
convex
is also
lenses.
it is
I don't know
also a
why.
convex lens.
Why do you taking that much time to even go through it? Because the watch repairer, he can magnify the object which is small over there, he uses it. And here the big object we have to see in the small way, but the only the convex lens it is having such a property. And that is why the convex lens is utilized, and for the focal point of the amplification or the magnification, that is the convex lens. But in the various comes to the convex lens, it is used by the watchmakers, magnify the gas, that is the convex lens. But when you come to the matter of the other things, we can use the convex lens. Is it or not? Okay, next. Carpenters makes dash holes. Mason makes dash holes. Weep hole and peep hole. Manhole and body hole. Peep hole and weep hole. Body hole and manhole. Which one is the right answer? Did you understand the question first? Yes? I don't know whether you are hearing me or not because I am not getting the any feedback from you. That's why I am
I
getting the
think
doubt.
Mason makes manholes and body holes.
Carpenter makes the peephole in the door, and the mason makes the peephole in the door in the wall. See here I am seeing. This the first one is a peephole. Who will make it? Carpenter will make it. The second is a peephole because it is adjacent to the bank. If the rains water would be there, it will not destroy the bank, so it will pass through the peephole. Next is the here the sewage people and the drainage people they will make the manhole. So what is the right answer in the 147th question? Why are people are just
Peep and weep.
I don't know whether they understand it or not. See, I am showing the diagrams also. See, this is the first one is the peephole. Is it visible or not?
Yes.
Then why you are keeping
Visible.
quiet?
Option 3, sir.
See, when you keep quiet, I got the impression that you are not hearing me. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. You to say yes. The option is 3 because carpenters makes the peephole and the masons make the weephole and the weephole is the wall and the weephole is must. Otherwise, the bank will go away. If the water through the percolation, it will pass through the pass through the pass
Main
through the fill up the blank. Manhole, sir. No, it is passed through the weep hole. Yes, sir. How many holes does a straw have? The correct answer. Can you tell me
One
zero?
hole.
One
One
or
hole.
two? Let them
One
give the
hole.
chance. Co-host, let them give the chance to them.
One hole, sir.
It is
Option
only one hole because for a surface with a binder with a boundary such as a straw with its two boundary circles, each can must begin and end with the boundaries. So according to the Riemann theory, it is only the one hole we can say because I will show in the diagram here. It is actually the tube. When you cut it, we can see only one hole. But you cut it across it, then it becomes a two hole because from the cutting range is another hole. The last stage is the another hole. But if you cut only once, it is the one hole only. Yes, please, co-host, other people, the elderly people, please. You don't give the answer because I would like to expect the answer from these people. Read what is there on the screen.
How many holes does this t-shirt have? A 2 holes, B 4 holes, C 6 holes, D 8 holes.
That is the on the picture. But here I have given number one, 2 holes. Number two, 4 holes. Number six, number three, 6 holes. Number four, 8 holes. Which is the right answer?
4 holes.
Option
B, sir.
In the 1 to 3, which is the right answer?
B, sir.
3.
No, wrong. It is the 8 holes. It is the 8 holes. Can you tell? Can you give the explanation? Number one, neck hole is one hole, and two side holes, 3 holes. See, you could see the back. In the front side, 2 holes. In the back side, 2 holes. I repeat, in the front side, 2 holes. The same size, back side, 2 holes. That's why you could see the back. Here, pink. That means back 2 holes, front 2 holes. 4 holes, 2 hands, 6 holes, one neck, 7 holes, bottom down, one hole where you can pass on. Total,
8
total.
holes.
8
8
holes.
holes.
That is the mental ability. సార్ ఇట్లాంటి క్వశ్చన్లు అడుగుతారా సార్? I am giving you in advance. Suppose if they ask in such a way also, you should be in a position to give because you are not ordinary students. You are a Professor Hussain students. Next, mannequin are found in where? Vegetable market, fish market, cloth shop or dress material shop or sweet shop. No elders, no co-hosts. If you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, you can say pass on. If you know, you can also make a trial. Doesn't matter. Errare est hominum. To err is human being. Yes?
Option 3.
How do you know it? How could you say it? Yes, tell me what is mannequin? Yes? What is mannequin? Tell me. Anyone? Not co-host. Yeah, now co-host, you can come to the rescue.
Think that in front of the shops, some statue-like things are kept. I think, but I am not sure of this answer.
Why not think? Because you are my student and I taught you in the class, which I am showing also on the screen.
Yes.
I am also showing on the screen. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
సార్ మీరు అడుగుతున్నారా సార్ భయపెట్టిస్తాను సార్ it is not in the vegetable market, it is not in the fish market, especially it will be the cloth shops and dress material shop that you can keep the mannequin. Okay, now tell me that mannequin is a life-sized one. Okay, mannequin, see there is a spelling difference is there. M-A-N-I-K-I-N. Mannequin is a life-sized dash human model used in education. And mannequin is a doll or statue used to show the clothing in a store. What is this dash? Biological, anatomical, scientific, plastic. Mannequin is a life-sized dash.
It is a plastic one, sir. It is.
Yes, but still we will use it as a model in the in the medicine. In addition to the original cadaver, cadaver, C-A-D-A-V-E-R, original cadaver means a dead body of a human being is called cadaver, C-A-D-A-V-E-R. But in addition to that one, they will make it to show the parts of it. They use this mannequin also in the
Man, man akin, just a man, like a man.
yes. So which is the right answer? Biological or anatomical or scientific or plastic? I told you already anatomical, because in anatomy that you use this all this cadaver and mannequins in the medical shop, in the medical college. Anatomical, that is the fill up the blanks right answer. Okay, next please. Find the odd one out. Scorpions, termites, dragonfly, honeybees. Yes. సార్ ఇది ఒక కష్టమే అడుగుతాను సార్ మీరు. సార్ స్కార్పియన్స్ అంటే తెలుసు సార్. ఓకే, టర్మైట్స్ అంటే ఏంటిది? వైట్ టర్మైట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఏది? ఇట్ విల్ ఈట్ ద వుడ్. ఓకే, డ్రాగన్ ఫ్లైస్ మనం చిన్నప్పుడు పట్టేది తీతర అనేక ఉర్దూలో. ద బిగ్గర్ వన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డ్రాగన్ ఫ్లై. హనీబీస్ విచ్ విల్ మేక్ ద హనీస్. ఏది సార్ ఇందులో? ఏది చెప్పాలా సార్? ఇదే ఉన్నది. ఎస్, ఆడ్ వన్ అవుట్ ఈస్ డ్రాగన్ ఫ్లై. ఎందుకు? ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది ఎక్స్ప్లనేషన్. ఆల్ అదర్ ఆర్ paranthrogenesis except dragonfly, and our co-host knows very nicely paranthrogenesis, parthenogenesis, not paranthrogenesis, parthenogenesis except dragonfly.
Yes, the parthenogenesis means
There is no question of mating,
mating. It's,
which will mate with opposite
it
sex.
is a very common feature in the production of fruits also.
Yes,
By
it is in plants also.
fruits.
Plants also there is no mating, only pollination. Okay, here dragonfly, the mating is there, but scorpion no mating, termites no mating, honeybees no mating. Yes. Then what animal does not need to mate to reproduce is known as autogenesis. Just now I told you. Parthenogenesis, selfogenesis, and paranthenogenesis. The answer is the second one. Parthenogenesis. There is no mating would be there. And the green flies and stick insects, aphids, water fleas, scorpions, termites, and honeybees all are capable of reproducing without males using the parthenogenesis process and what is called parthenogenesis examples. So these are the things. Now what is the odd man out here in the following? Arrange the below the words and make the meaningful sequence. Number one, where it is number one is disappeared word. Yeah, so sprouted, plant, sapling, plow. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Make a meaningful sentence. Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? See, the sentence is plow, sow, sprouted, sapling, plant. First one what comes? For the land, you have to plow it. Is it or not? Say yes. Say yes. Sir, no, sir. Are you hearing me?
First plow.
Yes.
Then
next.
sow.
Next.
Then sow.
Next.
Then sapling.
Yes.
Then sprouted. Then plant.
No. First is sprouted. Next is sapling. Without sprouting, the sapling will not come out.
Yes.
Then sprouting, then sapling, then the plant. That is the sequence of it. So plow, sow, sprouted, sapling, plant. అసలు నాకు అర్థం కాదు. Whether the students understood, participants, that's my question.
They're just mute.
Yes, yeah, they're silent. Yeah.
Aishwarya,
Aishwarya, unmute and read.
Good.
Yeah.
Really want to become educates, it's not good to be silent.
You have to speak even though it is wrong. I told them. Aishwarya, because I saw that here. but now she disappeared. When I uttered the word, she disappeared. Yes, Shivani Garepalli, you unmute and read 154 question. Read 154 question.
Arrange the below words and make the meaningful sequence.
Sow, sprouted, plant, sapling, plow. 2 sow, 1 sprouted, 3 plant, 4 sapling, 5 plow. So these are the sequence I have given over there. In which sequence that you can make a meaningful word, arranging the words with a meaningful, that means first you have to plow the land, next you have to sow it, then from the sow, from the plant the sprouted will come, then it become a sapling, then it become a plant. That is the whole thing. Yes. Arrange the below words and make the meaningful sequence. Family, community, member, locality, country. What is the right sequence? Now, participants should have to say, not the co-host, not the elder people, because which come first, which come last. And anyway, country is the last. Then what would be the first one?
First option, sir. 3, 1, 2, 4, 5.
Why? Why? You have to give the analysis.
When some
First
members
is-
join, it
Sorry.
becomes a family. When some
Yes.
families go together, then it becomes a community. A community lives in a locality, and all localities together make a country.
Yes, that is the analogy. That is the way we have to make it out. ఇద్దరు కొట్లాడుకుంటారంట ఏందిరా అంటే సారు వీడు బర్రెను కొంటే నా చేనులో మెత్తాడంటాడు మరి నువ్వేమన్నారా అరే నువ్వెట్లా ఎదుగుతావురా అసలు బర్రె ఎక్కడ ఉన్నదిరా అంటే కొంటాను అన్నాడు సారు ఏమన్నాడు ఓకే ఫైండ్ ద హార్డ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గివెన్ బిలో ఇండియా పాకిస్తాన్ అలస్కా 100 రూపీస్ ఇస్తానండి వీడు రీజన్ చెప్తే నాకు through the Google Pay, I will send you 100 rupees.
For me,
India, Pakistan, Alaska. Yes?
Sure, sir.
Yes?
Sir, I guess 4, sir. Alaska.
Reason చెప్పాలా reason why
Alaska is the right answer, but the reason is that Alaska
నేను 100 రూపాయలు ఉట్టిగానే పెడతానా అండి నేను
United States of America. United States of America. It is one of the states of United States of America.
రీజన్ చెప్పాలా అదే here reason is Alaska and Alabama states you can marry your sibling. Did you understand what is meant by sibling?
Yes, one's own sister or brother.
Yes.
You can
even the mother.
Is such a system still exists there?
Yeah, because it is there. I read it in general knowledge. It is only the country in that world, Alaska and Alabama states, can marry your sibling, but in India not possible. Pakistan not at all, and even Indiana.